Market is looking to push to the upside here. I'm going to take a long trade. And market's been open for about 40 minutes, and it's been going sideways, sideways, sideways. We on a wave 4, or into a completion of wave 4. This is a wave 3, wave 4, market open, sideways, sideways, sideways. So breaking the stop and running through here to come into this area here on a 32 is very possible to complete that wave 4. But it's just bumpy as it's coming out of a sideway pattern. It will hit that target, and here we are. Okay, so I've been sitting here since a little bit after 9:30, waiting, as I look for the setup that can profit me, technically. So this trade here, so let's see, a 2.2 trade took 68 bars, 1 minute and 50 seconds, and the profit, $2,200. And now I can just go fishing. Folks, welcome to the Day Trading Coach. Visit us at DayTrading.Coach. Receive some free lessons. We will offer you the opportunity to visit us, participate on how we teach. We allow you to just really look into everything that we're doing, so you will have a clear understanding before you make a decision. Trading systematically, technically, is the answer to success in the market. I cannot express that in any other way. This is Wednesday, October 28th. I am done for the day, and I do hope to hear from you. If you truly want to be successful at the market, let's work in developing the mindset for it. Let's work and really engage to understand how to interpret the Golden Falcon Trading Pro. The job of this software is to show you the intention of the direction. It really talks to you, not verbally, by the way the indicators lay themselves after the price pulls them. It is what's behind you that is important. Again, visit DayTrading.Coach. We would love to talk to you. Another thing on the website, there is a toll-free number, 877-908-0038. You want to call and just talk to one of the coaches, you're welcome to do that. Again, thank you for listening.